So today we'll discuss the file handling in Python. So in the last class we already discussed some of the read functions in Python to read a file. So before going to this topic, use a file, we have to create a file. Any txt file we can create. For example, I created a notepad file. So in this case, I written 4 lines. Hello everybody, I am Abhinash, I am a student, I am studying JITM College of Balangi. Like this, any text you can add here. A file you have to create. Okay. So before using your file handling, before writing file handling chapter, say file have to create. Okay. So next is your in this program. These are some examples of file handling programs. So reading a file first 6 byte and printing it. That means I want to print first 6 byte of the text file. Okay. So first I have to open the file. My file is the object file is equal to open R. So suppose a text.txt is a file name that is present in a drive, then you have to give the relative path, absolute path, then R is the mode. I want to read that file. So next is how much character I have to read? 6 characters. So my file object we have to write dot read function bracket में 6, then it will read the first 6 character and put it in the string, then print string. So output will be hello. Why it is hello? Because every character or blank space is treated as one character. So HELLOW 5 plus side में एक blank space है, so that is 6. So the output will be hello. Okay. Next is one is reading n bytes and then reading some more bytes from the last position. So एक फाइल है, उसमें हम लोग पहले से फॉर एग्जाम्पल 13 बाइट्स पे रीड करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर 8 बाइट रीड करेंगे. सो ये 13 बाइट रीड करके आउटपुट आएगा, फिर उसके बाद 13 के बाद जो शुरू होगा वो उसमें से फिर 8 बाइट रीड करके तुम्हें आउटपुट स्क्रीन में देगा. सो फाइल is a file object equal to we have to open re a text.txt, this is relative path, and r is the mode, then str myfile dot read 13, so print str, then str2 is equal to myfile dot read add. So पहले in this read function it will read first 13 character, then it will print, then another is I again call str2 will myfile read 8. I want to read another 8 byte from that file. So this statement we have to write str2 equal to myfile dot read bracket में 8, then it will read the next 8 byte of the file and store in str2, then print str2, then myfile dot close. So output will be hello every bow. This is the first 13 byte of the file. Then after that myfile dot read date, after bow every bow, after that next 8 bytes it is reading and displayed in your screen. Next is your reading a file entire content. Reading a file's entire content. I want to print the entire file. So what is the functions? Read function. No need to write any number here. So first I have to, before I going to read a file, first I have to open a file. My file equal to f open re a text.txt, then str is equal to my file dot read functions, then print str. My file dot close. This 4 line is a program to read a whole file. So this read functions will read the total file a text.txt and produce a output. Hello everybody, I am Abhinash, I am student, I am studying in JITM. So likewise, it is giving the output. Next is your reading a file first line. I want to read the only first line of the file. So first, before that, I have to open the file. My file will open rd text.txt. str is equal to my file dot read line. Read line is a function which is used to read the first line of a file. So print str. So output will be hello everybody, because hello everybody is the first line of the file. Next is your displaying the size of a file. Displaying the size of a file, removing end of line character, leading and trailing white space and blank lines. Okay, so in this program we have to display the size of a file, and will not count the end of line character, and लाइन के आगे और पीछे जो ब्लैंक स्पेस है वो उसको भी व्हाइट स्पेस उसको भी काउंट नहीं करेंगे, और ब्लैंक लाइन को भी काउंट नहीं करेंगे. So how you can write a program here? My file is equal to open reatext.txt. This is open the file. Then I take a variable str1, एक तो string मतलब blank string लिया है. Then size equal to 0 and t size equal to 0. Three variables are initialized. Then while str1 is equal to str1 is equal to my file dot read line. This my file dot read line will read the first line of the file. Then in the second line, t size equal to t size plus length of str1. Str1 is the this read line returns the first line. So here length of the first line will calculated. Length of the first line will calculated and stored in t size. Okay, so this will calculate the total length of the first line. Okay, it will not removing the white space and blank space. Okay, so next is size. Size is equal to length str1 dot strip. Strip is a function used to remove all the white spaces left side and right side of a line. Okay, so str1 is dot stripe. Stripe is a function which is used to removing all the white space and blank space before the line and after the line. So after that अभी str1 is the content the first line. उसका स्ट्राइप फंक्शन करेंगे तो पहले उसका हर सारा व्हाइट स्पेस एंड ऑफ लाइन कैरेक्टर रिमूव हो जाएगा एंड लेंथ कैलकुलेट होगा यूजिंग द फंक्शन लेंथ. ओके, देन अभी जो साइज होगा वो साइज में स्टोर होगा. देन नेक्स्ट अगेन फर्स्ट लाइन ये हो गया. अभी फिर नेक्स्ट लाइन को रीड करेगा तो नेक्स्ट लाइन का भी वही लेंथ पहला टोटल लेंथ निकलेगा फिर स्ट्राइप के फंक्शन वो विदाउट व्हाइट स्पेस उसका साइज निकलेगा. ऐसे करके ये फाइल पूरा रीड करेगा लाइन बाय लाइन. ओके, so in this case this now the total size of the file is t size. The total file of the size is t size. It will include all the white spaces, end of line, all and the print size of the file after removing all end of character and blanks line, that is the size. Well, after stripe functions it will remove all the end of line and white spaces, etc. So now I have to close the file. My file dot close. So output will be the total size of the file is 86 and size of files after removing all the end of file characters and blanks line is 83. Total size 86 and after removing all the end of character and blank lines is 83. Okay, next comes to next program. Next is reading the complete file in a list. I have to read the complete file and each line I have to put in a list. So what is the function for that? Read lines. You have to put here S. So before that I have to open the file. My file open R read a text.txt. Then S is equal to my file read lines. Then print S. Then my file dot close. So you see here the first line of the file is, remember, hello everybody is the first line. So see here the first line, you know that in a file every line contains a end of file. So end of file is nothing but a new line character. The first line will put as the first element of a string. All the lines of a file is put in a list. So square bracket and close square bracket and every line is present separated by comma. Okay. So every line hello everybody, new line is the first element of a list. I am Avinash is the second element of the list, and I'm a student, new line, that's the third element of a list, and I am studying JTM College Belong, that is the third element of the string. So this string is converted to this first line is converted to a string as a element and put it in a list. Okay, so in this way you can do. Next is your write a program to display the size of a file in bytes. Write a program to display the size of a file in bytes. एक तो फाइल का साइज बाइट्स में कैसे डिस्प्ले करेंगे. First I have to read the file. First I have to open the file. This statement will open the file. Then str my file dot read. Read function is to read the total file. Then size is equal to length of str. Then print size of the given file a text.txt is then print size bytes. So size of the given file a text.txt is 86 bytes. Okay, understood? Thank you.